सप्ताश्वरथमारूढं प्रचण्डं कश्यपात्मजं श्वेतपद्मधरं देवं तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहं तं सूर्यं प्रणमाम्यहं.
Hi, Agastya.
Hi,
What is that in your hand?
it's a storybook.
Journey of Stilton. There are multiple books in this series, right?
Yes,
Oh, great. You read all those books? Do you have those?
yes, I have more than half of these books of series in my library.
Oh, great. And what is that next to you?
Oh,
There is
this
another
is the
book.
electronic projects and circuits.
Uh-huh.
I have very keen interest in electronics, so I do projects from these books.
Great. What is that? The
Oh.
one more colorful. What is that?
This is a Rubik's Cube.
Okay.
It's more like a game and a puzzle.
Uh-huh.
If you want to solve it, you need to put interest, some concentration on this
Okay.
for some time.
So, will you be able to solve that
Yes,
in the least possible time?
it is 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Less than 5 minutes?
Yes,
Okay. Will you be able to do that now?
sure.
Please carry on. Let us see how much time will you be able to complete that.
I'm starting now.
Yes. Which class are you studying, Agastya?
I'm studying in 7th standard.
Okay. Which school?
Dr. Matthew Phyllis, near our
Okay.
house.
Okay, it is nearby. Okay. How are the things going on in Pune? What are the other hobbies you have, and what are the things you have learned during lockdown?
My other hobbies are I love to cook.
Okay.
My mother always lets me cook.
I believe I'm not disturbing you, right? Because you are taking pause. That means you are concentrating on that particular puzzle to solve.
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to disturb you, dear. You can continue. Okay. That seems like going great. I have seen. Okay. So, almost more than 2 to 3 sides are already done, I believe. It seems like you are almost done with majority of the layers. Okay. I've seen. The way you are doing this puzzle seems like you are more concentrating and also you like such puzzles. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Looking from outside, I feel it's almost done, but you can only confirm is it nearer or it is still far.
Yes, here.
Okay. Wow. Great going, dear. You have done that less than 5 minutes. I believe it is around 3.5 minutes to be exact. Great going.
Thank you.
Okay.
Surprise, dear. All the best.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.